Hey there, Kim from STEDI here to introduce you to an addition to one of our well-known products. Our original switch panel to suit the 70 series LandCruisers were a big hit. With the release of the facelifted versions and requests for a left-hand drive version, the panel was not able to fit in those. So let's bring to you our modular center panel for the 70 series LandCruisers. The panel is a replacement for the factory center panel, built around the basis of modularity with interchangeable modules for you to lay out to your optimal setup. All right, so let's get into it. So the base kit includes the following. You have the main center panel, the fascia outer ring that locks it in, and a set of 2 horizontal switches for your factory switches. So you can also pick and choose the other accessories to go inside the other banks. We have our 4-gang square Toyota switch. If you're feeling adventurous, we also have a 10-gang. Those of you who have gauges, it fits a 52mm gauge. And also we have a blank to suit your factory cigarette lighter. So let's get into the installation. So for this installation, it's pretty simple. You just require a 10mm socket for the 10mm bolts at the bottom there. And if you require some assistance, a trim tool remover to remove the actual fascia. So we'll start by removing that. Make sure you disconnect your plugs from behind. And the SIG socket as well. So here is the STEDI center panel to suit the 70 series LandCruisers. Being this is a 76 and it's a wagon, it has a rear demister. So for this, we've opted for the 4 horizontals to fit the factory switches from the original console. This vehicle already has our original switch panel on the right-hand side. So all the lighting switches are all accounted for. So this is all built up around accessories. So we've got 12 volt gauge to monitor the dual battery and the rest for the factory switches. But you can always customize this however you want. So I've got the factory switches from the factory console out. So now we'll just put them into our locations. Now let's get into the center position. Let's get this panel back into the center console. So of course you can do all your wiring when you need to do it, but let's just get it all dummied up for here. We'll plug all the factory switches back in. All right, and then we just align all the clips. Punch them in until they all click. We'll grab our socket and 10mm, and then we can put that back in as well. And then we can lock the top panel back in, and that's the installation. That is the installation of our modular center panel to suit a 70 series LandCruiser. For more information, please head out to our website. Don't forget to contact our lovely customer support team, and don't forget to follow us on all our socials.